Hey there, this is Kelsie from Sugar Flowers by Kelsie Cakes. I am bringing you today another rebrand update. I got more stickers. I think it's more stickers. Let's find out. I'm excited. These are also from No Issue. So they do take a while to arrive. Oh, it is stickers. Oh my goodness. I like how they put everything in cute tissue paper. What have we got here? Fragile sticker. Excellent. I ended up going with white, so it would be on brand. I'm hoping, like most shipping labels are white, so I'm hoping it still stands out. Not as much as like neon yellow or red would, but I just was like, if I want those colors, I could just buy them. And I want like my cute fonts and stuff. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I ordered a bunch of them because the more you buy, the cheaper it is per sticker. And keep an eye out on your packages because there'll be some new stickers coming at you soon. So this is the fragile sticker. You see it on a box. So that's what it looks like on the box. I think that's noticeable. I mean, the font's pretty bold. And this part says made with love, and this says handle with care. But fragile I did in the most seeable font. Seeable? The easiest to read font. And I also did a white background and the dark font because that contrast was the best. Do you know there's websites that can tell you if your contrast is too low or not good for visual impairment? I did not, but my sister told me about it, and it's awesome. I'll have to find the link again. I've bookmarked it and put it in the caption. Also, I'll put my waitlist for my new website. I'm going to announce the launch date very, very soon. Very exciting. I think that's about it. I gotta get back to making sugar flowers, and my hair's very distracting today. I tried to do beachy waves. I don't know what's happening. Don't worry about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!